So this is the 13th annual Bulldog Beauty Contest and Hot Dog Contests. So actually there are 20 contests for all breeds and mixes. The feature event today is the Bulldog Beauty Contest. A few hundred Bulldogs are here. We've got French Bulldogs. And then in the other contests like the National Mutt Show, that's going to be at 1 o'clock. We also have contests for like best legs, best butt, best small dog, best large dog, most photogenic dog, best ears, best smile. It's a fun day, and we're so pleased that all of these people came to bring their dogs and to do something extra special with them today. It's also raised money for the Community Action Team and the Hot Dogs program here in Long Beach, which supports spay and neuter programs and adoptions here in Long Beach.
My name is Carrie Golick, and this is Luna. She's the most prettiest dog.
We came from, we left Montana Friday afternoon. We came just for the event because we love it. We love to come here, so.
You know, my favorite thing about putting on this event every year, and the reason that I do it every year, is because we do an adoption fair. So behind me there are dogs looking for forever homes.
It's really important that we encourage people to adopt and not shop for their animals. And so these events are wonderful for that sort of thing because it brings awareness. We get our dogs to be seen. Somebody's going home with a new best friend today.
And the second thing is the fact that people come with their dogs and they do something that's a little extra special. You know, dogs have short lives relatively, and for somebody to come out and do something extra special, when that dog is no longer with us, they've got those memories, they've got great photographs and videos. It's just a fun day for all dogs involved.
Third place is going to go to Bulldog number 30. The second place is going to go to Bulldog number 21. First place for the 2016 Bulldog Beauty Contest is going to go to Bulldog number 11. Look at me.